Hello, my friends. Today and all this week, we're going to be learning about apples in science this week. So, I have a little thingy that I want to play for you, and it's all about the apples. How do apples grow? I don't know. How do apples grow? It's a mystery. I love to eat apples. How do apples grow? Let's find out. He gives us a thumbs up. I like apples. Open up the apple. You can see apple seeds. They are in the apple core. So if you take an apple, if you have an apple at home, cut it in half and let's see what's inside. The seeds are planted in the soil. They need water and the sun. Soon they will grow. The seeds begin to grow. Now I see a seedling or a small plant. The seedling grows and grows. It grows for many years. It grows into a tree. The tree has many branches. Buds grow on the branches when the weather is warm. The buds turn into blossoms. The blossoms are beautiful. They smell nice too. What do you think the flowers turn into? The blossoms fall off and the apples start to grow on the tree. And soon we can eat the apples. Apples are a delicious and healthy snack. Now we know how they grow. Can you name the stages of the apple's life cycle? So right here, it starts off as a seed. We're going to plant those seeds into the ground. But where do we get those apple seeds? First of all, is we can get them from an apple. So if you cut an apple in half, you'll see that they have the seeds. We're going to plant the seeds into the soil. And with the sun and the rain, or we should be watering them because plants need water, and the soil, we're going to get a little seedling. After the seedling, we're going to get this huge tree, which takes many, many years to grow. After we have our tree is on the branches are going to start doing these little things called buds. We're going to see these little buds on the tree. Once the buds pop up, the flowers bloom. And these are called blossoms. And then those flowers become nice, yummy apples. And when we go apple picking, that's what we get to pick. We get to pick those apples, which came the blossoms, which were the blossoms. So I think that is all she wrote. So what I want you to do is right now is I want you to turn to the adult who's right next to you, helping you do all this. And I want you to tell them what comes first, the seed, then it's the seedling, then it's the tree, then it's the bud, then it's the blossom, and then it turns into an apple. So if you can tell them that, that's awesome. Kiss your brains because you are a genius if you can tell them all that stuff. So now, my friends, in Seesaw, now that you are in Seesaw, so in Seesaw right now, after you've watched our video, click on the next slide. So this is the first slide in your activity. So click on the second slide and there is an activity for you to complete. It's really cool, really fun. You're going to just drag some of these really cool pictures over and make your own apple orchard, which is really, really fun. So I hope you have a wonderful time and let's get awesome learning about apples this week, my friends.